and welcome back. I am James, and today we are going to be making an electromagnet. Okay, for this project, we will need a screw, a bolt is optional, a battery. It can be any size. The larger it is, the more power it can create. The things can attach, like metal, and a test, like the thing that you're going to stick onto the magnet. I am using a lightweight paper clip, and you will also need a piece of wire. I am using a charging cord. It just needs, the electricity just needs to be able to flow through it, and you can also use tape, like electric tape, if you need to attach the wires, if you want to attach the wires to the battery. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so step one, I will get my screw and bolt, so attach my bolt onto the screw, like I had before. And then I will wrap my wire, leaving a little bit, leaving about 2 to 3 inches of from the end to down in the middle, like 2 to 3 inches, and then wrap the rest around the wire. Wrap the rest of the wire around the screw. And then it'll be the same for the other end of the wire. Leave about 2 to 3 inches. Step one. Okay, so step two, we are going to attach the battery to this piece right here. And so we will attach one end to the gray metal part end of the battery, one end, and then we'll attach the other end right there. Okay, step three, I have my wire, my electromagnet, got a little bit untangled. And then I have my paper clip, which is what I'm using to attach to the electromagnet. Now, yours may not be as strong as mine, or may be stronger than mine. It just depends on the size of the battery and how strong the battery is. So, I'm gonna attach this. And there you have it. It is sticking to the electromagnet. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, thank you for watching this video on how to make an electromagnet. Hope you liked it and hope you tried it. And make sure to push the like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.